In today's video, let's talk about how to use the SoFi insurance feature. So if you're trying to get a insurance within the SoFi platform, either you can use the mobile app or as well as the web version. So either way, you'll need to just log into your account, and once you have been logged in, you need to head over to the insurance portal. You'll be able to see the insurance section being displayed on the main dashboard. You need to head over to the insurance section. If the option is straight away not visible, you'd be able to find it inside of products. So inside of products, you'd make sure that the online insurance is selected. Once you select the online insurance option, you'll need to first of all select a policy type. Either you want a life insurance, auto insurance, or any sort of insurance that is available within this platform. You'll need to just select one of those. So once you select your policy type, you need to generate a code and then apply to it. To get a code, you need to choose a particular category. So for example, you can choose a property address for if you are a homeowner, and then you'll need to answer a quick profiling question that is related to the insurance policy type that you selected. Once this step is complete and you have successfully added in the insurance to your account, you will be able to get different rewards as well as benefits as soon as you complete this step. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.